5-axis CNC machines, the future of modern woodworking. Over the last few decades, CNC technology has completely transformed the woodworking industry. Modern CNC machines have made furniture production faster, more accurate, and far more consistent than traditional manufacturing methods. Today, most woodworking shops rely on standard 3-axis CNC routers for everyday production. But there is another level of technology that opens almost unlimited possibilities. The 5-axis CNC machine. These advanced systems allow manufacturers to create complex shapes, curved surfaces, intricate carvings, and premium furniture components that would be extremely difficult to produce using conventional methods. In this video, we'll explore how 5-axis CNC machines work, where they are used, and why many experts consider them the future of woodworking. What is a 5-axis CNC machine? A 5-axis CNC machine is a computer-controlled system capable of moving the cutting tool along 5 different axes. Traditional CNC routers usually operate on 3 axes: X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. A 5-axis machine adds 2 additional rotational movements. These extra axes allow the spindle to approach the material from multiple angles without manually repositioning the workpiece. This flexibility makes it possible to produce highly complex parts with exceptional precision. Understanding the 5 axes. To appreciate the power of these machines, it's important to understand how the 5 axes work together. The X-axis controls left and right movement. The Y-axis controls front and back movement. The Z-axis controls vertical movement. The additional A and C axes provide rotational motion. Together, these movements allow the spindle to reach almost any area of the workpiece. This dramatically increases machining flexibility and opens entirely new design possibilities. Why were 5-axis machines developed? As product designs became more sophisticated, traditional CNC machines began to show their limitations. Complex components often required multiple setups and manual repositioning. Every additional setup increased production time and introduced the possibility of error. 5-axis technology was developed to solve these challenges. By machining multiple surfaces in a single setup, manufacturers can increase accuracy while reducing production time. This is one of the reasons why 5-axis machines have become so valuable in modern manufacturing. 3-axis versus 5-axis CNC machines. Most furniture shops use 3-axis CNC machines for flat panels and cabinet components. They are reliable, affordable, and relatively simple to program. 5-axis machines, however, are designed for much more demanding applications. They provide greater design freedom, better surface quality, and significantly fewer setups. For many manufacturers, both technologies work together rather than compete against one another. 4-axis versus 5-axis CNC machines. Although they may seem similar, 4-axis and 5-axis machines serve different purposes. A 4-axis CNC adds a rotary axis and is perfect for producing table legs, balusters, columns, and cylindrical components. A 5-axis machine adds another rotational movement. This allows the spindle to approach the material from almost any direction. As a result, highly complex curved surfaces and artistic designs become possible. For premium furniture manufacturers, 5-axis technology offers unmatched flexibility. Applications of 5-axis woodworking. 5-axis CNC technology is used for premium furniture, curved cabinet doors, stair components, musical instruments, sculptures, and decorative architectural elements. Many designs that appear impossible are actually produced using this technology. Advantages of 5-axis CNC machines. The main benefits include greater design freedom, reduced setup time, improved accuracy, superior surface quality, and increased productivity. These advantages explain why more manufacturers are investing in this technology. Router bits used on 5-axis machines. 5-axis machines use a variety of tools including spiral bits, ball nose cutters, tapered bits, engraving tools, and specialized 3D machining cutters. Choosing the correct tool is essential for achieving excellent surface quality. Challenges and disadvantages. Despite their incredible capabilities, 5-axis machines also present certain challenges. They require higher investment, advanced programming skills, experienced operators, and greater maintenance requirements. For some small workshops, a 3-axis machine may still be the most practical solution. The future of 5-axis technology. As automation continues to evolve, 5-axis technology is becoming increasingly powerful. Integration with robotics, intelligent software, and automated production systems will continue transforming the woodworking industry. The future of furniture manufacturing will likely depend heavily on these advanced systems. 5-axis CNC machines represent one of the greatest technological achievements in modern woodworking. They allow manufacturers to create beautiful and highly complex products with remarkable precision. Although they require greater investment and expertise, their capabilities open possibilities that traditional machines simply cannot match. For many professionals, 5-axis CNC technology is not just another machine. It is the future of woodworking.